balloons.
Let's learn ABC. A. A is for apple.
A is for apple.
B. B is for ball.
B is for ball.
C. C is for cup.
C is for cup.
D. D is for dolphin.
D is for dolphin.
E. E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F. F is for fan.
F is for fan.
Z. Z is for girl.
G is for girl.
H. H is for hen.
H is for hen.
I. I is for igloo.
I is for igloo.
J. J is for jelly.
J is for jelly.
K. K is for king.
K is for king.
L. L is for lamp.
L is for lamp.
M. M is for mango.
M is for mango.
N. N is for nest.
N is for nest.
O. O is for owl.
O is for owl.
P. P is for papaya.
P is for papaya.
Q. Q is for queen.
Q is for queen.
R. R is for rainbow.
R is for rainbow.
S. S is for sunflower.
S is for sunflower.
T. T is for train.
T is for train.
U. U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
V. V is for violin.
V is for violin.
W. W is for watch.
W is for watch.
X. X is for Xmas tree.
X is for Xmas tree.
Y. Y is for yo-yo.
Y is for yo-yo.
Z. Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.